designed this custom wallpaper for my Hyte Y70 and I also made one for my desktop. And if you wondered how people created these or you want to make one yourself, I'm going to show you how. The first thing you're going to want to do is choose your canvas size. I'm choosing 2560 by 1440. Here's a list of common screen sizes if you need it. Here you're going to design your background and add any photos that you want. I'm doing a Silent Hill 2 theme where it's Mary's letter, but when you hover over it's going to be a picture of Mary. Here I'm just placing the letter on top of my background and making it the orientation that I want. Once I do that, I'm going to duplicate the page. I'm going to drag over Mary's photo over the letter and it should lock in. I'm going to adjust the photo to my liking, trying hard not to mess with the frame size. Doing this ensures that the photos will lay on top of each other nicely. Once you have the photos to your liking, you're going to go ahead and download them. From here, you're going to open Wallpaper Engine and click this button that says Wallpaper Editor. Since I'm doing an X-ray style wallpaper that requires 2 photos, I'm going to upload the base photo, which is going to be Mary's letter. From here on the right side, you're going to click Add Effect, and for me, I'm going to be choosing this X-ray effect right here. What this effect is going to do is anytime you hover your mouse over a certain area, it's going to reveal a photo underneath. Add the photo underneath. On the right side, you're going to hit Manual Editing and Import Texture. This is where you'll add the second photo or the photo that reveals underneath your cursor. Now you can leave it like this, but I want to change what it looks like, so I'm going to click Browse where this bright setting is, which will pop up a lot of options, but for me, I'm going to use this Flashlight 3. Now when I hover my mouse over the photo, it'll be a different shape and opacity, which looks like a flashlight. At this point, I'm going to go back into the effects on the right side and I want to add some movement. I'm going to pick cloud motion, which it will look a little scary at first, but you're just going to turn the amount slider down. This is just going to make the letter move ever so slightly, and I wanted to give the paper more of like jagged edges instead of a straight edge. From here, I'm going to go back into the effects on the right side and I'm going to find the clouds. On the clouds, I'm going to be adjusting the alpha setting a little bit lower to make it look more like fog. Changing it up a bit on the left side, I'm going to click Add Asset. In this area, I'm going to scroll down, and while they do have some snow settings, I'm going to pass on those because they look really thick and bulky. So instead, I'm going above and I'm picking this ash setting. The particles of the ashes normally fall and look better, but you can change the color to white and make it look like snow. Whenever you're done and you want to test your wallpaper, just open up the file and hit Apply Wallpaper. This will show you exactly how your wallpaper will look. Of course, you can be selfish and keep the wallpaper to yourself, but if you want to share with others, just go back into the editor and hit Publish to Workshop. This means that anyone can subscribe to your wallpaper and use it, which is exactly what I did, so you can use this one right now. And that's it.